Hey fellow Dota fanatics, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quick buy items in Dota 2. To quick buy items in Dota 2, first you need to open the shop menu by pressing the shop hotkey, which is F4 by default, or clicking on the gold icon at the bottom of your screen, which is right over here. It will open the shop menu now. All you have to do is hold shift and then left click on the item you want to quick buy, like so. As you can see, the item has now appeared in my quick buy panel. Or you can even choose to drag the item by holding left click and then dragging it to the quick buy panel, like so. Once the items are in the quick buy panel, you can purchase them by quickly pressing the default hotkey, which is F5. I'm going to show you a demo. As you can see, I've pressed F5. You can purchase them easily. This allows you to buy items without needing to search for them in the shop, even during intense moments of gameplay. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!